You know that's right.
What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs? Just a girl, Tina E, back to you once again with yet another one. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys today about another legitimate website you can make a lot of money from, and this involves affiliate marketing. So for all my affiliate marketers out there, this is one you missed. Okay, now if you have not missed it, and if you did know something about this and did not profit from this system, that means you either did it wrong or didn't have the correct information in order to implement the information to doing it right. Because this site is still making people money. I want to talk to you guys today about Google Sniper. Okay, Google Sniper has been in business for a while. Okay, for a while, paying out affiliate marketers from all across the globe for, I want to say, over 5 years or more. This site is very legitimate. It's very long. It has a great platform, very long standing. And affiliate marketers, if you do not take advantage of this, you are missing so much money. Okay, and if you don't know how to affiliate market, hit me in my comments. I can teach you how to do it. It's easy. It's so easy. Just hit me up in my comments if you don't know how to affiliate market. It's easy. I'm affiliate marketing right now. If you didn't know. So this is a form of affiliate marketing through video marketing platforms that allow us to talk about these things that are basically affiliate programs that are paying people out. So this is one form of affiliate marketing, basically, where I talk on videos and tell you what sites are good, what sites are not, and the details about them. So let's get off into this Google Sniper, y'all. Okay, so let me go to my notes here and get off into this Google Sniper. So basically, from my notes, we all know that there are various money-making loopholes or push-button softwares available to buy that. However, they have the ability to generate you big money online. But there's nothing better than a proven strategy that works. A detailed step-by-step guide which takes you from struggling to making a cent to earning commission on autopilot for months on end. So this is residual, guys. Okay, so Google Sniper by George Brown is exactly that. In its system that will take you through finding a niche, discovering high volume targeted keywords, picking a product to promote, and setting up your WordPress site and getting it indexed by Google. Okay, that's getting it indexed by Google. Okay, they tell you. So it really is the most foolproof system out here that's available still. Still killing it. Okay, so basically, not only is it well-taught courses involved, anyone can learn. The strategy actually kicks butt, y'all. So it takes you on an average about 2 to 4 hours to create a sniper site. And this includes everything from researching a niche to finding a product to promote. If you follow the steps correctly after this, it really is all systems go. Basically for you, your ship will be sailing. Okay, so as people, we all value time, money, and effort, right? So basically, well, a strategy that generates you a good deal of money but takes you 16 hours a day to operate isn't a good one, is it? Nah. So basically, you'll make this money within, you'll be implementing the steps and making this money within 2 to 4 is what they guarantee you. So after getting everything set up, of course. Okay, so basically You won't have any time to enjoy that money if you don't do this correctly. Google Sniper really makes you commission on autopilot. It takes an average of 2 to 4 hours to set up, and then you simply can just relax and basically generate the income that you were looking for. This is no pay per click. This is no link building. This is no social media like Facebook. They don't need Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, YouTube. They don't need any of these social media sites to make you this money. There's no CPA and no more spending time or X amount of dollars on months of content either for you to be able to make this money. It's an awesome strategy and it's easy to learn. Google Sniper really is a must for anyone looking to make money online. The 104 page ebook guides you through the process and is reinforced by the step-by-step walkthrough videos as well. So that monthly option of Sniper X also keeps everything up to date and gives you even more strategies, okay, and in the tactics to make more money from your own sniper sites. So, but that choice is optional as well for you to take advantage of. They just give you that as a bonus if you choose to take the option. So with more success stories generated than ever, than any make money online strategies, it's a no-brainer. Check out this site basically for more in store with the Google Sniper. Okay, so I have my Google Sniper all set up. It is what it say it is, and it delivers what it says it delivers for you guys. I just want to let you guys know that Google Sniper is still banging it out. They're still banging it out. So all you have to do is go ahead and take advantage of the site. This is not, even though you can work from home, this is not a work from home job. This is affiliate marketing. This is not a job. This is an entrepreneurial type of thing here. This is an opportunity, a business opportunity where you can basically own your own business and generate your own income off of your own efforts, okay, with a little bit of help from the Google Sniper information and the video tutorials, okay. So basically this is not a work from home job. This is a work from home business opportunity, so it will cost a little bit of money to get started. Check them out, see if you like it, see if you can implement it into anything else you do online as far as your businesses or platforms are concerned. Check it right on out. The link is below. Go to my blog, check out other sites. The link is below, and just get started with it. Jump in, guys. The first step to making money is jumping in. The first step of being broke is not doing anything about making any money. You stay broke. Okay, so at the end of the day, I want you guys to jump in. I want you guys to take advantage of everything I have to offer you guys. These are very legit companies. People have a hard time finding these or believing that they are true and tried and tested and proven into making you money. Okay, so I'm here to tell you guys it is what it is. It is real. You better get in and get that money and stop playing around with yourself. Okay, because who wants to be broke all their life? You got to save, people. You got to save. You got to have something for your children if you want children. You know, basically your family if you want to help out. Just, and even if you just want to be selfish and have money on your own, get this money. Do what you need to do. If you're tired of being broken, you're tired of struggling, you're tired of asking people for stuff, get this money. Okay, so basically you haven't heard it. Remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl Chena E out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and remember, stay tuned. There's always more in store for you guys. Keep coming back, seeing what I have for you that is legitimate out here on this site, on this internet streets, and definitely take advantage of it. If I say it's real, it's real. So check it out. The links are below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.